Is your SQLite Project apps not working because of the SQLite Database Module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and I'll help you re-register that library and end the crashes. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for SQLite Database Module, you can access a utility to help standardize your system references. This is the SQLite Database Module, the primary library for the SQLite Relational Database Engine, providing self-contained serverless data storage for applications. It is used by almost all modern web browsers and desktop tools to store user profiles and local caches. If missing, the app cannot open its local data stores, resulting in input-output disk error or database environment corrupted notifications. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. The presence of SQLite Database Module DLL is required for the SQLite Project engine to function, so you should perform a clean reinstall of the application, showing the error to redeploy the correct version of this dependency. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the SQLite Database Module component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. A restart won't fix a broken registry pointer, so follow these steps to manually register the file now. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32 followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, even with the file in the correct folder, a missing registry pointer prevents the loader from recognizing it. This step manually establishes that critical system reference. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Protect your PC by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for SQLite Database Module. Most free DLL websites are optimized for ad revenue rather than safety, often leading users to download harmful or obsolete software. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. For users impacted by missing library references, the repair tool linked below provides general background information on SQLite Database Module. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for SQLite Database Module today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.